Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear. Charge both buds to at least 30% and confirm the case has power. Once done, keep your phone Bluetooth off to avoid auto-reconnect. You then remove both earbuds from the case and press and hold the touch sensors for about 7 seconds until the indicator flashes. This forces the earbuds into pairing or reset-ready state. This first action clears transient connections and primes the internal state, so the next reset steps can take effect. Next, you perform the actual factory reset. Put both earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid for 5 seconds to stabilize power. Then open the lid, and with the earbuds seated, press and hold both touch sensors for about 10 seconds until you see a red blink or hear a voice prompt. This clears stored pairings and settings. Once the indicator finishes, make sure to re-enable Bluetooth on your device and start the pairing process so the buds build a fresh connection. Finish by pairing the earbuds with your device. Select WF1000XM4 in Bluetooth and complete setup. You should then open the Sony Headphones Connect app to update firmware and restore preferences. This ensures optimal performance. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: remove any existing WF1000XM4 entry from your device Bluetooth list and retry the reset and pairing sequence, because lingering profiles often block reconnection. If still unresponsive, reboot your phone or fully discharge and recharge the case to clear stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.